Alright, you guys, if you could please turn to the page in your notes that looks like this. 12.4. Volume. The volume of a solid is the number of cubic units contained in its interior. Alright? Postulate 27. Volume of a cube postulate. The volume of a cube is the cube of the length of its side. Okay, so for example, if you have a cube like this and and each side has a length of s, the volume is s cubed. Okay? Postulate 28, volume congruence postulate. If two polyhedra are congruent, then they have the same volume. Postulate 29, volume addition postulate. The volume of a solid is the sum of the volumes of all its non-overlapping parts. Theorem 12.6, volume of a prism. The volume V of a prism is V equals capital B H, where capital B is the area of the base and H is the height. Theorem 12.7, volume of a cylinder. The volume V of a cylinder is V equals BH, which equals pi r squared h. And the reason for this is the base is a circle, and the area of a circle is pi r squared. Alright, let's go on to page 2. Example 1. Find volumes of prisms and cylinders. Find the volume of the solid. So we have a right triangular prism. First thing we need to do is find the area of the base. The area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height. Okay, so in this case the base is 3 and the height is 1. Okay, so 3 times 1 is 3. So I've got 3 over 2 feet squared, and the height is 2. Okay, so B equals base times height equals 3 over 2 times 2. The 2's cancel out, and we have 3 feet cubed. And that's the answer. For part B, we have a cylinder. The area of the base is a circle, so it's pi r squared, r being 5. So pi r squared, or 25 pi, because 5 squared is 25. We know that the height is 6, so I can plug everything in. I've got 25 pi times 6. 25 times 6 is 150. And let me pull up my calculator. Alright, there it is. 150 pi. 471.24. So it's approximately 471.24 meters cubed. Alright. Example 2. Use volume of a right cylinder. The volume of a right cylinder shown is 1253 cubic centimeters. Find the value of x. Alright, so basically now we have the solution and we have to work backwards to find the radius. Okay? The area of the base is pi x squared, because x is the radius. V equals BH. Once again, the volume is given in the problem. So 1253. And this equals pi r squared, r is x, times the height. So I've got 1253, 10 pi x squared. I'm going to divide both sides by 10 pi. Let me get my calculator again. 1253 divided by 10 pi. 393.64. And then we can take the square root of both sides. find x. Oops. There we go. 6.4. 19.84. Okay. And we should probably make a note that we divided each side by 10 pi. So the radius of the cylinder is about 19.84 centimeters. Alright, let's go on to page 3. Theorem 12.8. Cavalieri's principle. If two solids have the same height and the same cross-sectional area at every level, then they have the same volume. Okay? So for example, example 3, find the volume of an oblique cylinder. Find the volume of the oblique cylinder. Cavalieri's principle allows you to use theorem 12.7 to find the volume. Basically, you can use the same theorem, the same formula, even if the cylinder is slanted like this. Volume is pi r squared times h. R is 5. That's the radius over here, and the height is 8. 5 squared is 25. 25 times 8 is 200. So we have 200 pi. Let me get my calculator again. Alright. 200 pi equals. Alright. 628.32. So, the volume of the oblique cylinder is about 628.32 inches cubed. Alright, example 4. Find the volume of a composite solid. Find the volume of the solid. Alright, the area of base B can be found by subtracting the area of the small circle from the area of the larger circle. Okay? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to find the area of the large circle. The large circle has a radius of 3. So pi times 3 squared will give me the area of the larger circle. The area of the smaller circle can be found with pi times 1 squared, because the radius of this circle is 1. Okay? 3 squared is 9. 9 pi minus 1 pi is 8 pi. And 8 pi is approximately, alright, oops, eight pi is about 25.13. So, the volume of the base is capital B, 25.13. times the height being 7. I'll multiply these two together. $175.93. So the volume of the solid is about 175.93 cubic millimeters. Okay? Alright, page 4. Checkpoint. Complete the following exercises. In exercises 1 and 2, find the volume of the solid. Round your answer to 2 decimal places if necessary. Alright, go ahead and pause the video here. And then when you think you have the answer, hit play for the solutions. Alright, these are the solutions you guys should have gotten. Alright, go ahead and try these 3. And then when you think you have the answer, hit play. Alright, here are the solutions. Go ahead and copy them down. And that's it. I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure you do the quiz, alright?